Hello, my name is Hasan from Pitway. Today I want to presentation how to make a strawberry jam sandwich. And this is the ingredients we need. First, bread and then of course strawberry jams. And then this is a steps. Take one grape and spread a jam with spoon. And after that, cover again with another bread and finish. This is it. Sandwich made by Razan. Thank you. Bye bye.